Welcome, today I'm with HUAWEI P20 Pro and I'll show you how to enable the ringtone volume on this device. So first just go to the settings and here scroll down and find the sounds and vibration. Tap on that and right there you will see the ringtone. Just swipe with your finger here on the right side. And as can you hear right now, your ringtone volume is enabled. So there is a second way how you can get there. Just tap here on the right side of your phone on the volume button and here you will see the settings icon, and also you can get there by this way. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.